If you're anything like me, you absolutely love the outdoors, but you don't always want to be shoveling snow and cutting grass. That's why condo living makes so much sense. You would rather be biking, hiking, fishing, doing all those super amazing outdoor activities. This bungalow style condo gives you that easy condo living, but feeling like you're in nature. Welcome to 259 2025 Meadowgate Boulevard. There are sports fields and hiking trails just across the street, but you don't even need to leave your backyard to experience the serenity of nature. This oversized deck provides a perfect spot to entertain friends and family and sip on some wine on hot summer nights. My name is Victor Addis from Prime Real Estate, and thanks so much for checking out 259 2025 Meadowgate Boulevard.